When comparing Monday.com versus Wrike, there are some key factors to weigh in order to figure out which project management tool is the best fit for you. Both are well known in the market, but they come with different strengths and weaknesses that may affect your workflow. Stay with me, and I'll break down these platforms so you can make an informed decision by the end of this video. First up, let's talk about the user interface. Monday.com has a colorful, visually engaging dashboard that's easy for new users to get into. The drag and drop functionality makes it feel intuitive, and its customizability really stands out. But here's the downside. It can get a bit overwhelming if you're looking for something super streamlined. The sheer number of options can leave you feeling like you're using a tool for more than you really need. Next thing, let's discuss Wrike's interface. Wrike has a more professional, business-focused look with a layout that's functional, but can sometimes feel a bit rigid. It's not as flashy as Monday.com, but that's because it's built for people who need advanced project tracking. However, it does come with its own learning curve, and that steepness can be a turnoff for smaller teams or anyone trying to jump straight in. Moving on to features, Monday.com really shines when it comes to simplicity and flexibility. You can quickly set up workflows and tasks, and it integrates well with a lot of third-party apps. But it falls short on some advanced features that power users might need, like time tracking or reporting in depth. Wrike, on the other hand, offers advanced reporting, task dependencies, and time tracking right out of the box. If you're managing multiple complex projects or teams, Wrike does a better job at keeping everything in sync, but it's definitely more geared towards businesses that need more power than just a simple to-do list. Next thing, let's touch on pricing. Monday.com's pricing is straightforward, offering a free version, but it's very limited. For larger teams, you'll need to look at their premium plans, and they can get expensive. Wrike offers a free plan as well, but it too is limited. Their paid plans are competitive, but they might feel like you're paying for features you don't necessarily need, depending on the scale of your team. The fourth thing to consider is customer support. Monday.com is generally good with support, and they offer a range of helpful resources, but some users report that responses can take a while. Wrike, however, has a reputation for a stronger support system with faster response times, which is key if your team relies on the platform for daily tasks. Moving forward, let's quickly compare integrations. Monday.com is very strong here with over 40 integration options, including Slack, Google Drive, and Microsoft Teams. Wrike, although offering fewer integrations, does have native ones that work seamlessly with big platforms like Salesforce and Google Workspace, so if your business is already in that ecosystem, it could be an advantage. At the end of the day, both Monday.com and Wrike are solid choices. They each have their strengths, but they're not perfect for every type of project or team. Monday.com is fantastic for teams that need flexibility and a vibrant, customizable interface, while Wrike is the better choice for larger teams with complex needs, especially if project tracking and reporting are a priority. But here's the thing, while both of these tools can get the job done, after trying them myself, I found a better alternative for anyone who needs a tool that blends the best of both worlds. If you're looking for something simpler, but with all the essential features, then you should take advantage of the free trial linked below. Through our link, you'll get access to the best free trial with exclusive benefits only available to our viewers. So, check out the first link in the description for a truly game-changing tool that'll elevate your project management game. Don't miss out!